show you real quickly how to make a bow. And this is just some ribbon. This is Dollar Tree ribbon. It is 9 feet. Open this package. Okay, I'm using the ribbon, and then I've got a rubber band here. We're going to start this right here. We're going to fold it. This is probably about 4 inches. 4 inches that way. I'm going to fold it back and forth. There's 3, 4. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to give it a cut here. I have a rubber band. I'm cheating here. It just makes it so much easier. Wrap it. Then you're going to want to take and fluff it, and I start by pulling one up. Take one and then take these and pull them to the side like this, and then one down. You want to just straighten them out. And I like to use the ribbon that has the wire in it because they tend to stand up taller and they're firmer. Lots easier to work with. Let's see, how it needs to go this way. You fluff it. That one this way. That's a nice little bow here. And then now we're just going to take the remaining ribbon. Just pull it off. Take it like that. Tie it off right here, like so. I'm going to hide that rubber band. Now you won't see it. And there you go. You have a ribbon, a really pretty bow. And now you can take the sides here. We'll cut them across straight. Take and fold it. Cut it at an angle. There's some pretty angles right there. Do this side. Cut it off flat. Angle it. There you have it. And that makes a really nice bow to put on a package or a gift basket.